LED headlight conversion kits, a comprehensive guide. Upgrading to LED headlights is becoming increasingly popular. LED headlight conversion kits offer several advantages over traditional halogen and HID lights, including improved brightness, energy efficiency, and longevity. This guide covers the benefits, types, key considerations, and installation of LED headlight conversion kits. Benefits of LED headlight. Conversion kits, enhanced brightness. Brighter and more focused beam. Better visibility at night and in adverse weather conditions. Energy efficiency. Consume less power than halogen and HID bulbs. Lower power consumption improves fuel efficiency. Longer lifespan. Last up to 30,000 to 50,000 hours. Reduced frequency of replacements saves money. Improved safety. White light enhances contrast, improving reaction times. Better visibility helps avoid road hazards. Stylish appearance, modern and sleek look. Available in various color temperatures for customization. Types of LED headlight conversion kits, single beam kits, for vehicles with separate bulbs for high and low beams. Includes one LED bulb for either high or low beam. Dual beam kits, for vehicles with a single bulb for both high and low beams. Switch between high and low beams using one LED bulb. Projector kits, for vehicles with projector-style headlight housings. Provide a more focused and controlled beam pattern. Key considerations: compatibility. Ensure the kit is compatible with your vehicle's make, model, and year. Check if additional adapters or modifications are needed. Color temperature LED headlights come in various color temperatures measured in Kelvin, K. Common options range from 3000 K, yellow, to 6500 K, cool white. Lumens and wattage. Lumens measure brightness. Higher lumens indicate brighter light. Wattage indicates power consumption. Ensure it's suitable for your vehicle's electrical system. Beam pattern. A proper beam pattern is crucial for visibility and safety. Look for kits that offer a well-defined and evenly distributed beam. Build quality and durability. Opt for kits made from high-quality materials. Features like cooling fans or heat sinks help maintain optimal temperature. Warranty and support. Choose brands with good warranties and customer support. A reliable warranty indicates confidence in the product. Conclusion. LED headlight conversion kits are a worthwhile investment for enhancing your vehicle's lighting. With superior brightness, energy efficiency, and longevity, LEDs offer significant advantages over traditional lighting options. By considering compatibility, color temperature, lumens, and build quality, you can choose the right kit for your vehicle and enjoy a safer and more enjoyable driving experience.